A heart murmur is a blowing or rasping sound heard during a heartbeat. This sound is caused by a turbulent blood flow through the heart valves or near to the heart. A doctor can detect a murmur by listening to your heart without a stethoscope. There are some things that the doctor need to consider to tell if a murmur is innocent, that you don't have any problem to have it, or is worrisome. Some of those things are volume, location, pitch, timing of the murmur, and sound changes. Heart murmur symptoms may include chest pain, dizziness, blue or gray fingernails or lips, slowing neck veins, fatigue, shortness of breath, and swelling. Tests are to determine the cause of the worrisome heart murmurs. These tests are recommended when you have a murmur worrisome. As we mentioned at the beginning, there are some murmurs that are innocent, that they are not going to give you any problem during your life. But when they are worrisome, they need to study more these murmurs so you don't have any problem with them. So some of these tests are an echocardiogram, that this is used to determine the cause of the murmur. It shows how blood flows through the heart and heart valves. Also checks a chest x-ray, that this can tell whether the heart is enlarged. An electrocardiogram, that this test measures the electrical activity to the heart. A doctor can look at the signal patterns to sign of the heart problems. Innocent heart murmurs don't usually need a treatment because they are innocent. They are not going to give you any problems. So, treatment for worrisome heart murmurs depends on the cause of this. A worrisome heart murmur requires a close monitoring. Some of these medications can include blood thinners, that this medicine prevents the blood clots. The medication can help to regulate heartbeats. Diuretics, this medicine removes excess of fluid from the body and can treat high blood pressure. Also, beta blockers. A beta blocker lowers the heart rate and blood pressure.